me and my girl. Today we are fixing Sophie's parcel shelf. So let's do like a makeup vlog like this. And this, how the makeup artists do it. This is the part we've printed to fix Sophie's car.
What, are you going to do it right now in the rain?
Yeah.
Dad? What, are you going to take your camera?
This is my son, Arlo Barling Smallington. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Feels better with you, baby.
Music sounds better. As you can see here, parcel shelf is broken. What I want to do is going to get this piece in there, on there, get a bit of glue. Glue's running. Get something to wipe it with. Otherwise the missus will moan about her car being covered in glue. There we have it. Leave that to dry, maybe half an hour, then we'll come back. Fantastic, looks like it's still there. It's pretty solid now. See, I put a bit more around the edge. Let's get the parcel shelf back on. Something away. Look at that. Here we are. Yeah, very good. Missus will be happy about that. Your parcel shelf is fixed. How do you feel?
Great, thank you very much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to come and have a look?
I don't want to thank you for freezing.
Well, I fixed it.
Keys saved.
We are now up in the attic. I am currently boarding out the attic, so do not judge me on how it looks. This is the next thing I want to show you, which is a battery holder, AA and AAA. At the moment, my batteries are everywhere. They're really bad at the moment because my son was playing with all the batteries. So if you can see, the batteries are just all over the floor, all over the table, everywhere. Let's just not talk about everything else that's all over the place. But we are sorting out the batteries today. Here behind me, just on this post here. I was going to put it on this chest of drawer table. Thought it's a bit out of the way. So I'm going to go with just on here. As you can see, it's got some mounting holes in the back. So I can mount it on through there and to the side. Just so I get all my batteries in like this. I can store my batteries nice in there and then just slide it out as I want to use it. But hopefully it'll work a bit better when it's actually mounted on there, so let's get that done. This is going to annoy me, because if you look here, when I put them in, they didn't all come out straight. Let's start again. And there we go. A couple of AAAs, loads of AA. This is the next thing that we are working on. A holder for my stair gate. This goes on the bottom of the stair gate and the gate swings out like this and catches on this little lip. So this stays open. Otherwise it just swings closed and it's very annoying. You can see here, there's a part that we've already printed. So it's got a PLA part, which is a tough material here, and then a more flexible material at the back, printed in 2 pieces. So this bit sticks to the wall a bit nicer. It wasn't wide enough, basically. Well, these didn't extend far enough to hold the gate in securely. But now it's pretty secure. So let me show you this part. You can see, if I pull it apart, it's 2 pieces. This is the hard piece, just big enough to fit that end of this in. The gate's gonna fall off now. Just big enough to hold the end of that piece. And then it's got a little insert there just to hold this piece. So this is flexible. Ooh, let me see if I can flex it. It's still pretty tough. Some little rings there to hold it in place. The fact that it's flexible helps it stick to the wall better. And I can kind of squeeze it all the way onto the wall without like damaging it, which this hard bit would do. So this bit is the new bit that we printed. This is going to go at the bottom down here. So the idea is it goes on there and then the gate swings open and hooks on to just this end piece here. That little bit just holds it up, so let's get that installed. moment of truth. It holds. I think if you give it a good swing, it's still going to go past. And for version 1, that's not too shabby. I think, yeah, if you just run it, swing it open, it's fine. If you purposely want to hold it open, you just start with it and hold itself. I think that'll probably do for now. I think if there's too much strain, you'll probably break this bit over time. I think, yeah, if you want to just hold it there and you can get it open. Otherwise, let it swing closed. Good job. Everything. I don't think you're meant to use silicone like filler. It doesn't look too bad. Money in your palm don't make you real. The kid's gone down for a nap. We've done quite a bit today. Fixed the missus's car, the boot. We have fixed the stair gate. Made that stop swinging if we'd like. Let's swing a bit, so not sure. I'll probably do a V2 of that. We've also got some silicone on the windows to keep it a bit nicer. Stop the water from leaking in. The last project left is to fix the ambulance bike. I've ordered the pieces. As you can see, it's just a little ambulance bike. This wheel here is motorised off this little pedal. Got a couple of options: forward, stop, and reverse. Do anything. That's reverse. That's forward. The battery is just under the seat here. I've ordered a new battery. I've also ordered a new charger. I tested the motor just off my power supply. It's just got one 6-volt motor in there. But maybe do one of those upgrades where we upgrade these to go like silly fast. It is missing a light. So there is like an LED light that went on here. It also lit up with the backlight. I think you switched it on with that and it had like a siren. But yeah, hopefully this evening, Amazon same day delivery, we should get a new battery and a new charging cable. Because the one that came with it is didn't come with it. The one that came with it is gone, it's lost, and the other one I was using is 5 volts. So I don't know if that's just an old battery or won't charge or what, but yeah, we got a new one anyway, so that's not going to be nice for the kids anyway. I'm pretty sure these buttons do something too. Here we are. It's 6 volts on the charger. This is 6 point odd. Not too sure. Straight out of China. Rusty trusty knife. 6 volt. Half an amp. Let's get them installed. First things first, I think we'll take this battery out. Let's expose these contacts without breaking the battery. And they're off. Hopefully I haven't broke anything. This one on. motion. Hey, here's the battery. Put this back together. Look at that. Look at that. Here she goes. Perfecto. Let's see if these buttons do anything at the front here. Let's go on the seat back on. Perfecto. Let's get this bit on as well. And let's go see how excited my son is to ride this.